Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another week of weekly inserts and weekly ads that are starting July 7th through July 13th. Now we do have some really good coupons and there is some really good deals. So let's get started and not waste any time. So first we have CVS, and then we have Target, and then we have P&G, Smart Source, and Retail Me Not. We're going to start with the insert. So we're going to start with actually P&G. Alright, so P&G, it is only available once a month. A lot of people that I know that are from different regions do not get P&G, which is really sad because they have some awesome deals. But if you have it, I'm going to flip through. Pretty much they always have the same things every month. A lot of beauty products, a lot of baby stuff, Tide, household items, a lot of that stuff. The razors are always a really good deal. Head and Shoulders is usually a good deal. Sometimes they have like a $5 off coupon, which is pretty good. Buy one, get one free Pantene, and the $5 off of 3. Always a good deal to do at Target. Alright, 2 hair food. Never heard of that product before. Oral. I hope everybody is having a wonderful weekend, and I hope y'all are ready to get these deals this week, because I am. Hopefully I can. I'm a little drowsy because I've been working night shift, and yeah, all I really want to be doing is going to sleep. Tide, $3 off of Pod. Studio, another Tide. Here's some Bounty and Bounce. Drift is always a good deal. I did that one last week, so maybe this week. Wow, that's a new product. Never heard of it. Buy one, get one free for Breeze. 50 cents off Gain dish soap. Buy one, get one free. Cascade. Dawn, the bigger ones is $1 off of 2. And some more baby stuff. Alright, now we are going to move on to the Retail Me Not, which is very simple this week, only 2 pages. We have some Gain coupons, Kellogg's, and some Homemade Easy, or Homemade Simple. I thought that was 7th generation at first. And that is all for Retail Me Not. The last insert that I'm going to talk about is the Smart Source. So Smart Source is mostly like food related items, and once in a while there is some like cleaning products and everything else like that. Here is some oral. They always have oral coupons. Jergens. Usually CVS always has some good Jergens. Ooh, they have $1.50 off of Bure. I need to get that. I like those strips. Here's a new product that I haven't heard of, but this is on any, but I haven't heard of the Essentials. Alright, and that is all for the insert. So we have Smart Source, Retail Me Not, and P&G that has come into the insert as of today on July 6th, but they are useful on July 7th. So we are going to go ahead and get in with some Target and some CVS deals. Alright, so first off, we're going to do the CVS deal, and here is, as always, some makeup deals. And if you scan your card, you get a free 9-piece beauty bag So that's pretty cool. The first deal that I'm going to highlight, and it's actually on 3 different pages, it's on page 2 and 5, is the P&G deals that they always have once a month for the P&G items as soon as they come out. They are spend $30 and get $10, so that plays for the Pantene, that coupon I showed you, the Tide, the Oral, anything like that. You can find all those coupons in the P&G. Here is some more. Some snacks related. There's the Tide coupon. If you still have that Tide Oxy coupon, it's $2.94, and when you use the dollar manufacturer coupon, it's $1.94. The next thing that I highlighted was this snack deal, the Brookside pouches or the Hershey's cookies, 2 for $6, and you get a $2 extra care buck on 2, making them only 2 for $4. Here's some more snack related. I don't really buy snacks at CVS only because they're just so expensive, and I can get it cheaper at Walmart. Not hating on CVS. I do like their household products and everything else. So this is the free 9-piece beauty bag with a card, but you have to spend $30 on makeup. Oh, look at that. There's the catch, you guys. More makeup deals. Alright, then we're going to get into some shower products. Speed Sticks. It is 2 for $6. You get a $2 extra care buck, and there is a $2 app only. So make sure you download the CVS app, making it only 2 for $2. Here is some more spend $30, get $10. There's Head and Shoulders, Herbal Essences, more Pantene that you can use, all from the P&G. Alright, here is some oil care that you can find in your Smart Source. There is Colgate. It is $3.99. There is a $1 extra care bucks. There is a $2 manufacturer coupon, making it only 99 cents. There is the Colgate Optic White or the manual toothbrush, $3.99. There's a 50 cents off manufacturer coupon, and then you get a $1 extra care buck. Alright, here is some medicine. Nothing too exciting. Alright, in the blue section, here is again the spend $30, get $10 back in ECBs. Like I said, you can find it on page 1, 2, 5, and on this page. So, there's a lot of summer items. Also, there is some Pantene. On the side, here is some Venus razors. They always have a lot of buy 2, get $6 back in ECBs for Venus razors and Gillette. The soft soap is 2 for $7. You get a $3 extra care buck on 2, making them only 2 for $4. And that is actually everything for CVS. Let me make sure that to tell y'all that it starts on July 7th through the 13th. While I'm filming this is on the 6th. But while you are watching this ad is already live, and y'all can go and do the deals. Alright, you guys, so last but not least is the Target ad. And this week on the Tide products, when you buy 3, you get $10 back on gift cards, which theirs usually run about $11.99. Sometimes there is a $10.99. Here is the overview into the blue section. It's the same thing. When you buy 3, you get a $10 extra care. We're not at CVS. $10 on Target gift cards. So there's a lot of Tide and Bounce. So make sure you go and check out all the inserts that I just showed y'all. Make sure y'all go and grab y'all's inserts. I highlighted the buy any 2 get $5 gift card for the Optic White or Optic Free and everything. This beauty deal is always happening. When you buy 4, you get $5 in gift cards. Make sure you go check out the P&G, or I believe Retail Me Not has some from a couple of weeks ago that you can probably still use. Baby stuff, when you spend $100, you get $30. Mascara, when you buy any two, you get $5 back. More baby stuff for you guys. School is upon us, you guys. They're already advertising for uniforms. Stranger Things, because new series just came out on July 4th. %20 off on all movies. School supplies, you guys, 25 cents salt, 25 cents, 50 cents. All the good brands. Make sure you go and stock up, or you can wait till tax-free weekend. I don't know if some states have tax-free weekend, but we do, and it's actually coming up in about 2 weeks. Super excited to get some copy paper, because that's the cheapest time to get some. Shoes. Love to get shoes during a tax-free weekend also. Some food-related items. Nothing really big. And yeah, so there you have it, folks. So there is the Target ad, the CVS, the P&G, Retail Me Not, and the Smart Source. So that is the weekly ad and the weekly insert. Just a reminder, it doesn't start until July 7th, but it does run until July 13th. Let me know down below what deals y'all are going to be doing, or if y'all are even going to be going out and doing these deals. I might do it. It just depends. Me coming off of night shift on Monday, I might go out and do some deals. I'm not sure, but if I do, then I will be vlogging that. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. Let me know what your thoughts on this video, and I will see you guys next week with a new insert and a new weekly ad. Bye, you guys.